Don't tell anybody. It's time. What time? It's garden time! I got a few hours before dark, and tonight I want to clean this up. First off, I think I need to find a sledgehammer. Tawanda! Tawanda, but I got the next best thing. Let's see what we can do with it. You're so happy. Yes, I'm happy too. Did you get that grub? Is a grub an aphrodisiac? Chickens are earning their keep by helping me out here. I am going to work on getting this whole bed all the way to the end clean, because I'm going to go ahead and plant beans up against the fence, and then I bought onions sets today, so I'm going to plant onions in front of it. That's the plan. We'll see if I can do that and keep the chickens out of it after they clean it up. Keep the dirt together, girls. Don't spread it apart. this was going to be an X-rated film. My onions, garlic, and some of my green beans planted already this season. Yay! I love it when I get to start in my garden. And the next step on the garden is my herb bed, which is right behind you. I am going to start working on this bed right here, which is my herb bed. So check for that real soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you are planting right now or this year in your garden. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Maintaining your health at home with herbs and herbal medicine is a great way to start down your natural health lifestyle. And I have some new courses for you to go check out at bekkasplanet.com. I'll see you there. Bye.